Right on. It's pretty cold out, but yeah, I'm gonna feel kind of bad, but I'm gonna be turning this camping trip into just a hiking video, just because I lost my like $100 knife yesterday, so and I'm not really in a good mood. So so yeah, I'll make the best of what I'm doing today anyway. And oh. Yeah, it's pretty nice out here. We're definitely in the middle of nowhere. I've been driving for about 3 hours right into the heart of the mountains, so I'm gonna try and find this lake, but there's no service on my phone, so I'm gonna try my best anyway. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Just walking in the stream. It's so nice out here. It smells awesome. I don't think you guys can see that, but there's the mountain, or one of them anyway. We're pretty much smack in the center of all of them. Once I could get a better view, I'll show you guys. I'll give you guys a little 360 view. So we are pretty much in the heart of everything right now. So yeah, kind of enjoying my day. Even though I wish I could be doing some camping, but that's just the cards I'm dealt, I guess. Kilo. Hey, buddy. Yeah, come say hi to the camera. Oh, good boy. Oh, this is pretty cool. Booyah. I think I found a lake. Watridge Lake, I think. Oh, it's pretty dinky, but it's pretty cool. Water looks nice and clear. Let's check her out. Wow, that's clear water. Check that out. It's really clear. It's nice. This would be like a perfect camping spot, geez. Or even if I had like a little kayak or something. Cool. Hey, Kilo. Oh yeah, it's probably good water. Figure I'd share this little spot with you guys too. I think it's kind of neat looking. It's like a little swamp. You're in the middle of the mountains. I'm gonna keep walking on this. See where it goes. I'm actually kind of digging this little trail. It's just a little log trail over the swamps. It's awesome. I can't get enough of that smell too. It's just awesome. Kilo. Oh. That's what happens when you try and cut in front of me. Wow, it's really nice out here. Kilo, say hi. Come say hi, buddy. Aww. Yeah, I found a pretty cool spot, guys. It's pretty awesome. It's really nice. It's kind of cool how there's like a bunch of fallen trees just hanging over the river or whatever. And there's Kilo having a good time, eh, buddy? Oh, yeah. I'm actually really impressed by this little trail. Very cool. Oh, the issue's really coming down here. Kilo, stay away from there, buddy. Oh, yeah, it's just coming straight down the mountain. I wonder if I can go any higher. That's crazy high. Doesn't look like it on the camera, but we're already really high up. I'm gonna keep going, see if I can go all the way to the top or something. Okay, so I thought I'd share something crazy with you guys. All this water is coming from underground and through cracks of the mountain. And like, just look how fast this is flowing. This is the top of the trail for the waterfall. And literally coming out of the ground. That's cool. There's still snow on the ground. I just want to show you guys because I'm pretty pumped about that. Woo! Yeah, I just made my way back to this lake, and geez, I can't get over the view. It's so awesome. The water's just so blue too. I don't know if you guys could really tell on this camera, but it's really nice. So I made it back to the car, so now I'm just gonna be I'll be cooking myself some soup, and then yeah, I guess that's about it for my day's trip, I guess. Keel's gonna have his little snack too. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the views, and yeah, if you like it, subscribe. Right on. Have a good day.